All right, now that is done. Now, hand a little, rinse it off. I'm about to add in my other go-to eggs, happy eggs. I'm gonna add in 5 eggs to my cream cheese. I love the way the egg sound when you crack it open. All right, I need some sugar. I need 1.5 cups of sugar to my cream cheese for sweetness. Perfect. And a teaspoon of vanilla paste. I like the little specks of the beans what you get with the paste, but if you don't have this, just get some vanilla extract if you can't find this. A teaspoon goes in. So potent. I'm gonna place the lid on this and I'm going to mix this up until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Let's go. Okay, now that it's done, it's time to get my bowl now. So this is how your cream cheese filling should look after it has been so pureed down, so smooth. Look at it, nice and smooth. So I'm about to pour this inside of my bowl. Get you all out. So you could use this cream cheese filling to make cream cheese ice cream, miniature cream cheese. It's totally up to you. Get you out. Okay. Now